Good morning, students of class 7th. Welcome to your online classes of English ASL listening activity. Today, for class 7th English ASL listening activity, we will be covering up unit number 8. Unit number 8, what do you think? Now, under this, you will be listening to the conversation. Now, listening. Listen to two people expressing their views about the hill town of Shimla. The head of the town administration and an artist who grew up in Shimla. As you listen, take the right answer and put the cross in the incorrect answer. You have to take the right answer and you have to put the cross in the incorrect answer. Now, Mr. Sanjeev Chawla, head of town administration, Shimla, shares his thoughts with us. In Shimla, at present, the population is already more than the hills can bear. But yes, the town has to grow. We are trying our best to transform Shimla and make it a better place to live in. It is my hope that if we persuade people to take part in public projects, we can bring in all the changes we plan. We have made a small beginning this year by developing 12 parks and playgrounds. We need to put in place an effective, environment friendly public transport system suitable for the hills. I think that is important. We also require about 50 to 100 parking lots. If we manage to do all this, then hopefully a few years from now, tourists will find Shimla a much less crowded and more attractive place. We are about to put in a new drainage system. We have also drawn up plans to renovate the town hall, the shop vacates on Mall Road, and the old ladies' park with steps like these. In my view, we will bring back the lost glory of Shimla and protect its heritage. We will now listen to Shalini Kher, well known artist and sculptor. Now, who you will be listening to? That means you will be listening to Shalini Kher, She is a well known artist and sculptor. I think Shimla today is not at all like the Shimla of, say, 30 years ago. It used to be such a pretty town. Houses were few, with vast green meadows, gardens, and wide open spaces between them. We used to go to a spot called Tara Devi. The view of Shimla town from there was so beautiful. Shimla had all the charm of a well planned small town then. It was the British summer capital. So there were buildings of historical importance. I used to walk to my college. There were few cars on the road. My head was filled with dreams, breathing the fresh air. Now, I must admit, I feel a little alarmed. The town is unbelievably crowded. Now, at present, the town is unbelievably crowded. That means you can't believe it is very crowded now. It is full of ugly modern buildings. I do think the government should put a stop to more and more construction. We cannot sacrifice the beauty of Shimla by saying the town has to grow. I feel that no development can match the value of the clean air and the sheer greenery. We must preserve this. That means we must preserve and protect this. Now, under this, some questions are given. You have to solve those questions now. Now, see, the A part of the question, listen to two people expressing their views about the hill town of Shimla. The head of the town administrator and an artist who grew up in Shimla. That you have already listened to the conversation between the two. As you listen, take the correct answer and put the cross mark in the incorrect answer. Okay. Now, the first one, the administrator. Option number one feels that Shimla must grow. You have to put right and wrong in this. Option number two has developed 12 parks and playgrounds. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Third one wants a better public transport system in Shimla. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Fourth one is creating more parking lots. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Fifth one wants to bring down old buildings. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Sixth one thinks that Shimla's heritage cannot be preserved. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Now, the second question, The artist says. Option number 1, Shimla has not changed. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Option number 2, Shimla was once green. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Third one, Shimla has many ugly historical buildings. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Fourth one, that she went to college by car. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Fifth one, the government should control construction. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Sixth one, we must preserve the beauty of Shimla. You have to put right and wrong in the box. Now, task B question. Now, listen again and complete task B question. Now, in the B part of the question, what you have to do, tick the most suitable option. The title you would choose for the discussion you heard would be. That means you have to choose the suitable title from the option. Option number 1, Shimla, the Queen of Hill Station. Option number 2, Shimla, Growth and Progress. Third option, Shimla, Caring for its Heritage. Option number 4, Shimla, the Glorious Past. That means you have to tick the suitable title which is correct according to the conversation what you have heard. So these questions you have to solve. Read the question very carefully, then only try to solve the answers of this. Thank you very much. God bless you all.